Getting started in the crypto world, you need a platform that you can trust. And in today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to one of such platforms. The first 50 persons that's going to sign up using my link are going to be getting $20 sign-up bonus. I'm going to be talking more about this as we proceed in this video. Now, before we jump right in, if you're seeing me for the first time, let me be Gerald, and I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out the work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So that's it, guys. We're going to go to my screen right now. I'm going to be introducing you to this amazing platform. It's important that I mention the fact that this video is for educational purposes. As I am not a financial advisor, I should not be taken as one. So it is my advice that you sit down and do your own due diligence before you jump into the crypto world or any business at all. Now, this video is a comprehensive exploration of Exolo, which is a next generation wealth management platform specializing in both sports and crypto futures trading. Exolo's mission is to be a one-stop platform for all your trading needs, focusing especially on the vibrant world of cryptocurrency. And as we proceed in today's video, I'm going to be actually showing you all of this. Now, here are the things that you're going to be learning in today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to create and verify your account on Exolo. I'm also going to be showing you how to download and set up the Exolo app on your mobile phone or other mobile devices. Then of course I'm going to show you how to make money on Exolo. And yes, I've been answering a few questions like why I think Exolo is one of the best platforms out there for you to actually trade cryptocurrencies. So it's important for you to sit back, relax, and watch this video from beginning to the very end as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. Now that said, guys, let's go to my laptop screen right now and let me walk you guys through exactly how to set up an account on the Exolo before we jump into the other things that we're going to be talking about in today's video. So once you click on the first link in the video description, it's going to bring you to this interface right now. So right now, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to set up an account on Exolo. What you need to do is to click on the first link in the video description. It's going to bring you to this interface that you're looking at right now. And once you are here, what you need to do is to click where it says sign up right now, right, to actually set up an account. Once you hit sign up, it's going to prompt you to put in your email address here, your password here, and put your invitation code. And this invitation code is what is showing on your screen right now. And we're going to come here, select this I have read and agreed Exolo, and click on sign up for an account. So once you click on sign up, it's going to bring you to this interface, right? This is going to show up. And what you need to do is to slide this to verify. So hold this and slide it to the end, right? And also you need to, it says verified right now. So a code has been sent to our email. So what you need to do is to go to your email address right now, find the code that has been sent to you and put that code into this space right now. And guess what? You have about 85 seconds to actually do this. Look at it counting down right here. So let's go to my email and actually find this code that has been sent to us. So this is the email from Exolo, right? Mailbox registration. Now this is the code 481167. So let's come back here and type 481167. Of course, your own code is going to be different. So it says registration success. I'm going to save this, right? So this is it right now. So I'll set up an account in less than just a few seconds, right? And what you need to do right now, you can actually deposit crypto. If you already have cryptocurrency, you can deposit it here. Or if you want to buy crypto directly using cash, you can actually do that right here, right? So I'm going to close because I don't want to do any of this right now. So you see how easy it is for us to actually set up an account on Exolo right now. So right now we are in the dashboard of Exolo. And you can see the fact that we have 0.00. There's nothing inside of our account. So let's say I want to actually make a deposit. What I'm going to do right now is to come here to deposit, right? I can deposit crypto right here. So let's say I have crypto on Binance or whatever, and I want to bring it into this place. What I need to do is to send it to this deposit address, right? Either TRC20 or ERC20 or BEP20, whichever it is that you want to actually send away. You can actually do that right now, or just scan this QR code right here, and you can send it to this particular wallet right now. See how easy it is to actually do, right? So I'm going to come back right here. If you want to withdraw crypto, you can actually do that by coming to this where it says withdraw. I can withdraw this to anywhere. But of course, before you do that, you need to connect Google verification. And all you need to do is come here to settings and fix all of this. It's very easy and very straightforward to do, right? And of course, you can transfer from sports account to other accounts, right? You have the margin account, you have the margin account cross, and you have the futures account right here. I can actually transfer to whatever it is that you have crypto to any of these other accounts inside of your Exolo account. It's that simple and it's very easy for you to actually do. Another interesting thing that you can actually see once you look at this is the fact that it's very, very, very easy to use. So you see that you have your assets right here. All your assets shows up right here. This includes the sports, the features, the margin, the everything shows up right here. Yeah? So if you come here, you're going to see your sports account, you see your features account, you see your margin, and you see your asset audit right here. Another interesting thing you can see that you can deposit crypto here or you can buy crypto with cash right here. This is very easy. I see your withdrawal, your transfer, and also your trade history. Your history over time, your deposits, your withdrawals, your earnings, everything, you're going to be seeing it inside this trade history, right? And of course, this is the fund list for all the cryptocurrencies that is available on Exolo right now. You see all of them right here. Yeah, and you can go to the next page to actually see everything. So you see that this interface is very, very, very user-friendly. That is one of the things that I love so much about this particular interface. So you see your balances, your order, your download. Now, coming to download, you can actually download the app by just scanning this with your phone, right? Whether you're on iOS or Android or whatever it is that you use, right? You can scan this and actually download the app, or you can click on more download options to download this app to your mobile device instantly. You see how easy it is to use, right? Now, if you come down right here, you're going to be seeing the fact that Exolos actually offer extensive coin options, right? Over 400 coins, as a matter of fact. See all of them right here. And if you come here and go to next, you see a whole lot of these coins, Alpine, ANC, APE, APL, all of these coins. You keep going. You see all of them right here. Up to the 25th page, you see all of them to Z. So any coin that you actually want is featured right here. And there is over 400 coins on Exolos right now. So another interesting thing about Exolos is the unlimited leverage. Exolos actually provides unrestricted leverage of up to 125 times on buy or sell limits. Now, this is amazing. You're most likely on this channel because you are looking to make money online, right? Now, Exolo is actually built for young professionals who are looking for passive income streams. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make money on Exolos as we proceed. So again, it's important for you to stay with me from beginning to the end of this video, as I intend to leave no stone unturned. Now, a question you might have is, how do you actually make money on this particular platform, especially those who are looking to earn passive income? Let me show you that right now. If we come to Exolos right here, and come to reward, you see that you can actually make money as an affiliate. Now, what this means is that you can actually set up an account. You can click here and join the affiliate link, right? And you can give your link to your friends and get them to sign up for an account on Exolos. And you can gain up to 50% on each referral, right? Imagine making 50% from each referral. I think that's amazing. That's one of the ways to actually make money on this particular interface right now. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard right now. Let me show you guys another way to actually make money on this particular platform. If I come here to Exolos, there's also what they call Task Center. So if I go to Task Center right now, you can perform easy tasks and you can earn as high as 1,000 USDT cash reward. And this is very easy to get, right? All you need to do is actually perform some of these tasks. So you can come here and click on check in now, perform some of these tasks, and you can actually get money on this. So look at this one right now. You're going to be getting 0.5 USDT cash reward. All you need to do is to click on complete right now and actually complete this, right? Click on complete and complete this. This is 1 USDT, 1 USDT, 0.5 USDT, and so on and so on. And this is available on a daily basis, right? If you want me to make a very detailed video about this tax center on Exolos, let me know in the comment section, and I will not hesitate to actually make that video for you guys. And that is the second way to make money on this particular platform. Now, there's a third way to make money, which is to invite your friends and enjoy commissions immediately. And of course, you also get features bonus for traders and beginners, right? And this is another amazing way to actually make money on this particular platform right now. So like I said before, if you actually want me to make a more detailed video showing you all the ways to actually make money, where I go in depth, showing you all the ways to actually make money on this particular platform, let me know in the comment section, and I will not hesitate to actually make that video for you guys, if a lot of you guys are actually interested, of course. So another way to actually make a lot of money on Exolos is by trading cryptocurrency. So and you want to do that, what you need to do is to come here where it says trade, right? So there's sports, there's features, there's mock, which is demo. I'm going to be coming to this in a little while. And of course, there's margin, right? So let's take a look at this spot. Some of the things that make the spot and features markets on Exolos very interesting is number one, high liquidity, right? Exolos provides exceptionally high liquidity in features trading. There's also trading mechanism. So this has to do with the margin requirements and other trading options. Now, there's a demo platform, which I said I'm going to be coming to in a little while. So I'm going to come here to trade, and there's this demo platform. Now, what this helps you achieve is that it helps you trade, right, without actually using your real money. So you can figure this out and make sure that you can actually trade. You are a pro before you actually jump in with your real money, right? So come here and say, I understand the risk, and this opens, so you can actually start trading right now with simulated money, right? This is not, you don't have to make any real deposit to actually use this. So this will help you figure out trading, make sure that you're making profits right here, so that when you get to actually doing the real thing, you will not be losing your money, right? You learn and practice with the demo, and of course, you now start doing the real thing with the real interface, which is the sports and the features interface right here, right? So that's why this mock feature is actually very interesting. Exolo also offer weekly and daily contests, trading contests basically, where you actually win prizes just by trading basically. So some of the key features of Exolo is number one, security measures, right? It has a multi-step verification process for secure money transfers. Exolo also have educational resources, stuff like tutorials, guides, educational materials Exolo do offer to help make your trading experience easy and seamless. Now, what I interesting I love about Exolo is the customer support, right, which is available in multiple languages, and the 247 deposit and withdrawal. You can withdraw and deposit at any time, so there's no limitations. Exolo is also very active on social media, and they also have a very strong presence. So if you come here right now, you're going to be see where it says community. So there's the Telegram community where you can follow, there's Twitter, there's Medium, and there's a blog right here. So I talk about the educational resource. You can come here right now. You're going to see data, and you're going to see tutorials, and all of that, right? So still talking about community, if you come down right here, you're going to be seeing the fact that this is Telegram, this is Twitter, this is Medium, this is LinkedIn, and there is Instagram, and of course YouTube right here. So you have seen how to set up an account on Exolo, how to leverage Exolo to skyrocket your crypto trading business. And as a matter of fact, anybody can actually do this. Now, what I need to do right now is to click on the first link in the video description and set up an account on Exolo, right? I'm also going to be giving you guys a very special promo code, and it's showing on your screen right now. So while signing up, use the promo code to actually sign up for an account on Exolo. And that will guarantee your $20 sign-up bonus instantly for the first 50% that's going to take action. Exolo is also always expanding, so they're always adding new and interesting features. So it's important for you guys to subscribe to this channel right now, so that when these features actually come up, I'm going to be making videos updating you guys on exactly how to take advantage of this new feature. And finally, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for watching the video from beginning up until the very end. And I want to encourage you right now, so click on that first link in the video description. I set up an account on Exolo right now, and you'll be glad you did. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section, as I'm going to be here to answer all of your questions, guys. So until I see you in my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.